The Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So, beach day. Well, this is where we're at. Yep. Enjoying the thing. And somebody ready for go swim out. Hey! Yeah. You did? A raindrop? I don't think it's going to change her mind. I don't think it's going to change her mind. I'm sure she don't mind. You got a point right there. Exactly. Don't worry about the rain. You're going to get wet one way or another. Wow, that is so flattering. Yeah, because normally we get, oh, is that your twin? Yes. Wow. Hey. The sand is feeling nice and warm. The sky is looking good. Look at that aircraft coming over there. Don't know if you can see it. Right there. Coming into the airport just beyond there. And that's what the beach is looking like. Jamaica getting represented. Grand Jamaica getting repping. These young ladies repping the brand.
I'm going to leave my mom.
Well, it's a good day for a swim. The lifeguard tower is there. And Eleona, are you contemplating whether you're going to go in?
Of course, I did not come here for anything else.
Oh, your goggles ready. Oh, wow. So we're just going to go in now, right?
I'm going to put my bag down and take off my cover.
Okay.
Should I swim in my cup?
I don't think you should. I wouldn't. So, going to go touch the water, see how it feels?
Yeah.
I think so. So let's get on with it then. As you are aware, we went on a getaway weekend for the girls. And so I just wanted to show you some of the things that we did on one of the days on our activity. It was a lovely day out. You know, it doesn't stop you having fun just because you've moved and lived in Jamaica. And although we didn't have any ride to get ourselves around, networking is an awesome thing when you are here to be able to do things and have experiences at a reasonable price. So we decided that we were going to go off, and it would be a pointless adventure if we didn't go to the beach. So we decided that we were going to take ourselves off to the beach and have a swell time whilst we were there. Also, Eleona has been wanting to do one of her favorite things that she keeps doing at home but haven't been able to do outside. So she's now been able to do that, and we'll show you some of that footage as well, with her getting up to her little self treat that she's been wanting to do for quite a while. And the experience of that and her aunt here, I can see this golden smile on her face about how excited and happy she is to know that she's able to do some of those things as she was used to doing whilst we were in the UK. And so I will show you some of those footage, and I hope that you will enjoy some of our adventures that we have been taking. Well, it wasn't so much of a boardwalk, because now the boardwalk is a concrete, but it was good to be able to go out on that boardwalk, you know, have that sea breeze hit us as we were walking out, and just have a good little mother-daughter girly time out there, whilst my sister was doing her own little fun care that she wanted to do, just relaxing and sitting at the bar near to the beach and just having that relaxation that she needed after the hectic days that she had had before we were able to go away on this weekend. So I will show you that, and show you some of the things that, if you decide that you want to move back to Jamaica, that are available for you to do whilst you are here, whether you come on your own or with your family. So do enjoy the footage that we're going to show you.
Is it nice and warm?
Yeah, pretty much so. You can come in with us.
No, thank you. I already did. Up to the ankles, mate. 3, 2, 1, go. Una act like a baptized and a baptized.
1, flip. Oh my god! It's salty. Oh my god, Leah, what you said? That's worse. Jamaica sausage, very salty.
Oh my gosh.
It's salty. Go with me here.
Why are you not running around like dolphins? Kenny, another incoming.
Nice and warm. Hi, welcome to the
Touchdown. Hey. She's not wetting her hair.
I don't want my hair getting any more wet than this because I have no intention of washing it.
Oh, bless.
I can. If I have to.
Clearly, we had to go to the beach. Now, tell us, which beach do you think we're at? From the footage that you see, can you spot the beach we attended? We'll tell you once we see your comments below. The sun is back up and nice and warm. And we're just going on the boardwalk. Don't know if you can call it a boardwalk still because it's a concrete walk. We're going on that together. Whew. Look at how crystal clear that water is. Oh, you should have worn your glasses, but we didn't know it would come out back. Wow. Somebody's a bit tired. We thought we would come and take a little walk because we wanted to come on the boardwalk, but we're going to do it after we eat. And so we've ordered our food and we're just waiting for it, and it's taking a little bit long. So we thought we would kill time just walking from now so that by the time we get back, it's there and we can have it. But we didn't realize that they have these catamaran, but I don't think they are from here. I think they just come past this water space at the moment. And then that's just the neighboring beachfront, and the airport is somewhere over there in the distance. We've had quite a few aircrafts come in since we've been here. Are you coming? Ah, the sun's gone in again. Well, gone covered, and as we would say, gone in. But it's covered and we have cloud cover and we have a lovely breeze. That's nice and cool and refreshing. Are you coming? You're enjoying the breeze? Okay then, I'll let you indulge. I'm going to walk all the way down. You coming, or are you going to stay there and enjoy the breeze? You want to go down? You see fish? Ah. Yeah, it's nice though. The feeling of it under your barefoot is quite soothing. And some people already ducked out on the waters, enjoying whatever they're doing out there. I see a couple people swimming, and I don't know if they're doing it as part of their exercise, but they swim from the shore all the way down to the buoy. And I know it doesn't look far, but it's a good distance. Because, say what you were saying?
I swam just there, and I was tired, and I'm a professional swimmer.
Okay. And I thought that if you swam that far and you're used to going lengths and lengths and you got exhausted, it definitely is a far journey out.
Because I was trained to be a technique swimmer, not a marathon swimmer.
Okay. So what's the difference with a technique swimmer and a marathon swimmer? Oh, okay. So for technique, it's just how to do the different swim strokes effectively for a certain distance. Oh, I see. So it's not a whole. Okay, I follow. So when you do the turns, you get a little bit of a breather in the turns. Okay.
And you can get a couple stops, but if you're getting SS, like 1500,
Uh-huh.
you can't stop.
Okay.
Because you'd have to restart and stay tired.
Okay.
It takes about an hour. Depends on what stroke you do.
Okay. Well, I think they might be back now with the food, so we might just go down and then go back. And I committed to myself that I'm going to go to the end of the boardwalk. So I'm going to go to the end. So I'm going to keep going all the way to the end, as I said I would do, to touch. Hello. And that there. So I did it. I achieved my feat. And now we can head back. Finally, it has arrived. Definitely, finally. So we're going to tuck in.
So I got a double chocolate chip frappuccino with milk. So we do have the first. I got it in Montego Bay, and I'm shouting at my host, which is Panache, who took my order. Very kind.
So it's the one right next to Doctor's Cove. Is this your first order in Jamaica?
Starbucks order?
Yeah, your first one. So how's your review of Jamaica?
Most people say mocha is disgusting, but I like how it works.
Okay, then that's fine. It's amazing to have you staying with us on our adventure and on our journey that we're taking. We are happy each time we see that another person decide that they're going to take the step to become an official tribe member. So thank you for your subscriptions. We're also pleased to see the dialogues that's happening in the comment section. So as you continue, just drop your comment. If it's a question you have that you want to ask, go ahead and ask, and we'll try and answer it as best as we possibly can, and have a dialogue as we continue as a family. Just remember to keep it nice when we comment or interact with each other's comments. We like to see the family and the tribe talk to each other, as well as about the different footage that we show you as we go through our various activities and events. So it was good to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.